Most people think that when they start making more money, that means they're going to get further ahead. But to be honest, most people don't. They earn more, spend more, and inevitably, they're stuck at the exact same level. So today, I'm breaking down 5 reasons why people never get rich, even when they start making more money. And I'm even going to tell you what you can do to fix them. Let's get started with number 1, lack of knowledge or experience with investing. So most people are never actually taught how to invest, let alone what exactly compound interest does or how you can make your own money work for you. People may know how to earn money, but they don't exactly know how to grow their money. The biggest takeaway that I can give you is make your money work for you by investing your money, however much you can afford to do, every week, month, or even annually. Because when you have a job, it's nice when your money has a job too. Just $500 a month can turn into over $1.2 million over 40 years at a 7% compounded interest. Now that is real money. Number 2, lifestyle inflation, or as I like to call it, the lifestyle creep. I myself have been a victim of this more times than I can count. As soon as you get the raise, or you write the new business account, or you add another revenue stream, what is the first thing that you want to do? Spend. I myself have been known to get a new vehicle or buy an auxiliary piece of equipment that I didn't really need but kind of wanted. The best piece of advice that I can give you is anytime you get a raise, make sure you're taking at least 50% of that raise and investing that money before ever seeing it hit your account. Or as soon as you get paid, you're just taking 50% of that increased income and you're putting it straight into some type of investment account, whether it's a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Anything's better than nothing. Number 3, no financial roadmap. Earning money is great and all, but it only does so much for you. Earlier we talked about the lack of knowledge, but let's say you do have the knowledge. Putting that knowledge in full effect is paramount. People have their dreams like retiring early or having X, Y, and Z in retirement, or they want to retire with $2.5 million. But if you haven't actually put together your plan and mapped things out, you won't exactly know that you're going to get there. The biggest thing on this is set goals, check on your goals periodically, and adjust them as needed. If you put together a retirement projection with a financial advisor, oftentimes they can tell you how close are you to being on track, what you need to do to get on track, and if you're already on track, let you know how you can either improve your situation or give you the peace of mind to know that, hey, I'm doing what I can do. Maybe we should take that vacation this year. Number 4, chasing quick wins or the next big thing. There are so many traps out there on the internet these days. There's meme stocks, meme coins, cryptocurrencies that blow up and then crumble down without a moment's notice. But the people who actually get rich play the long game. Unless you have an exorbitant amount of extra spending at your disposal, I highly recommend doing something a little bit safer and a little bit more long-term. It's not to say that you can't get involved with the meme coins, the Doge coins of the world, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies. I'm just warning you that you should make sure that's a very small, if not very minimal part of your overall portfolio. Real wealth is built by overall consistency, not chance. But if you want to play that way, do it at your own risk. Number 5, and one that so many people miss, not increasing your income intentionally. So often, people will get themselves into a job or a career and just take whatever life gives them. There are so many opportunities out there, especially now, to generate more income. I used to donate plasma at BioLife as a way to generate a little bit of extra side money in college. The funds I made from donating plasma is actually what I set aside to go out to eat with my friends throughout the week. It was a really good way for me to separate my typical budget with a little extra spending cash that I wasn't always accounting for. So anything you can do to make a few extra bucks to take a little bit of the load off your main budget is definitely going to help you a lot more than it hurts you. With this comes continuously learning. If there's opportunities for advancement by your employer, just remember to always keep learning. If you're learning whatever you can in your own job, hopefully you can get more raises or you can get that promotion. Or maybe you learn about something completely separate from your full-time occupation just so you can earn side income with your own small business. As somebody who has small businesses of my own, it's something I can heavily relate to. And trust me, there are ways you can do it that are more of a benefit than you might think. Even if you're not making money right away, there are a lot of times tax incentives that can ease your financial burden in that capacity. So that's just one more thing that you can think about. If any of these hit home for you, trust me, it is okay. The biggest thing is let's address it, figure out what we can do to fix it, and then move on with a plan in place. I myself still suffer dealing with some of these things. The lifestyle creep, the apathy and not wanting to learn more. The biggest thing is to try not to fall into those traps. And if you can do that, you're going to be set up for financial success in the long run. Starting with a little bit today can turn into a lot of it tomorrow. So I heavily recommend giving it a try. Thanks for your time, guys. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe. And I can't wait to continue making more content like this for you. If you have any follow-up questions or some things that you've struggled with on your own, leave those in the comments below. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later and have a great day.